Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the Plex app on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get into the video. So head over to the apps drawer and then come down to search for apps and games. Click on this and you're just going to be trying to search for Plex. So Plex. If you have that, just click on the search button at the bottom of the keyboard and that will launch the search for Plex. So this is using the integrated Google Play Store. All the apps here are legitimate and valid. So just click on Plex there and that's going to bring you to this page. This is the integrated Play Store app. You can find the install button there. Click on install and this is going to pen for a few seconds. So after pending, it will begin the download. So you can see the download has begun. All you need to do is ensure you have very good internet connection, and this will take you just a couple of seconds to a minute. When it is done downloading, you'll find that the installation process is automatic. So just sit back, relax, and wait for the installation to complete. So as you can see, my download is already 100%, and I'm about to see installing pop up on the screen, and it's going to install the application right onto my Chromecast. When the app is completely installed on Chromecast, I could launch it here with the open button that will pop up on the screen, or I could just revert back to the page we were on before we entered the search. That is the app drawer. Go back to app drawer, find the app. It'll be towards the right by default, so the rightmost edge of the screen, and I'll click on the app to launch it. So that's it for this video. I've shown you how to install Plex on Chromecast. Immediate installation is done. I'll open the app and begin to enjoy Plex. I could find movies, TV shows. It's an entertainment app and it's actually one of the best. So like the video if you found it useful, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this. This is DaveTech signing out.